Welcome to 1 Minute Prop Building Tips, designed to help save you time, money, and improve your prop building skills. Wouldn't it be great if you could add some control of your DC prop motors without the use of a microcontroller and do it quickly, cheaply, and easily? Well, you can, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Sometimes having a prop run continuously is desirable. However, having it trigger and run only when someone is near can create a better effect and save some of the wear and tear on your props. For less than $12 and a few seconds of your time, you can add one of these inline PIR sensors between the motor and power supply of your DC motor-driven props. Now your prop will activate when the beam is tripped, run for a short period of time, and stop and wait for its next victim. Check the link down below. I add a small piece of 1/2-inch PVC with some hot glue to mine to help narrow the view of the beam to help control false triggers. Paint it black and you're ready to go. If you want to see more content just like this, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon before you go. So until next time, keep on building.